Hey, I'm Seth Johnson with Land House, and you are watching the Playhouse Build Series. In this video, we're getting the metal roofing installed. I hope you enjoy. Installing the metal roof on the Playhouse is going to be a little bit difficult to film. And so this video is going to have a little less structure or information than the previous videos. But the plan is to install the metal roofing. I've got the sheet metal, I've got a ridge cap, and also some rake edge for keeping the gable end here from getting too much water on it. I'm also going to be installing some hardy siding, which will go along the top edge here, and the rake will cover over it. It'll just prevent any rainwater from getting onto the untreated 2x4s. So I hope you enjoy this build. I've got my mom and dad coming over to help because this may be a task that needs a little extra assistance.
It is a little bit. That make a difference.
Would you go inside the Playhouse and maybe put your hand so we can match them up? Yes, match up that edge with the edge of the tent, the metal there. Worked out pretty good. Now this one, after you get that first one done, it should be super straightforward because it'll ride that previous one. Okay, so what we need to do is cut one piece that was, I think, 8.5 is what I measured here. All right. Okay. A bit of time has passed after getting the roof installed in the Playhouse, and there are a couple things I need to wrap up here to consider this video to be complete. I'm going to be putting a couple of screws here on the edge over here, as well as over here, and just to keep this drip edge close to the building itself. and we'll be able to consider this finished. So let's head up the ladder over here and get these last screws installed. Sure is nice to have the roof on the Playhouse now. I made a few mistakes. The back side over here is slightly off from where it needs to be, which left a bit of a gap here on this corner at the top. But overall, it is going to work quite nicely. At this stage, the Playhouse is mostly weathered in as far as rain that comes straight down. But I need to get the siding on next. So if you're looking forward to that step, hit the subscribe button and be sure to ring the notification bell so you know when that video is posted. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.